Are you always tired, chasing deadlines, skipping meals, and still feeling like you're falling behind? What if I told you, you're just 3 steps away from the perfect routine? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm breaking down the ultimate daily routine for busy professionals. Let's fix your clock and change your life. Rule number 1. No more snoozing. Wake up at 5:45 a.m. Yes, it's early, but winners sleep when they're dead. Right now, we grind. First thing, hydrate. 16 ounces of water with lemon. Kickstart that metabolism.
Your body just ran a marathon while sleeping, okay?
Next, 10 minutes of meditation to clear the mental clutter. Then 20 minutes of sweat, gym, run, or just push-ups. Just move that body. And finally, the most important meal, protein. Eggs, oats, smoothie. No sugary cereals. Fuel up like a Ferrari, not a Toyota. At work, don't just show up. Have a plan. Write down your top 3 most important tasks for the day. Mitts, baby. Now, attack the hardest task first. This is called eating the frog. Get the ugly stuff done before lunch. No meetings, no calls, just focus. Pro tip, every 90 minutes, take a 5-minute break. Walk away from the screen.
Your brain needs a reboot, just like your phone.
Lunchtime, keep it light but filling. Salad, protein, veggies. And please, put the phone away. Just eat. Enjoy your food. And here's the magic. Log off at 5 p.m. Seriously. If you're efficient in the morning, you don't need to stay late. Work smart, not long. Evening, 6:30 p.m. time for round 2 of fitness.
Even if it's just a 30-minute walk, do it. Sweat washes away the work stress. After workout, family time, or friend time, or just me time. No laptops, no emails, just connection. This is non-negotiable.
Dinner should be light and early. Eat by 7:30 p.m.
Heavy dinners kill your sleep. And good sleep, that's where the magic happens. 9:30 p.m., screen off, blue light off. Put that phone in the living room. Read a book. Real pages, not a screen. Spend 5 minutes journaling. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. And 1 big goal for tomorrow. This trains your brain for success. Lights out by 10:15 p.m. 7 to 8 hours of sleep. This isn't lazy. This is peak performance. Your body rebuilds itself when you sleep.
So there it is, the perfect 9-5 routine. It's not about having time, it's about making time. Discipline equals freedom. If this video helped, smash that like button. Subscribe for more productivity hacks.
And hey, go crush your day. Peace.